Hey guys, this is Brian Sykes with the AI Lab. Let's talk about video for just a second, and by that I mean AI video. Now, one of the tools that definitely came on the scene early as far as announcing, hey, we're here, but took a little while to arrive was Sora. Now, Sora, it's a pretty cool tool. Today I want to show you just one little segment of Sora that I think really sets it apart in a unique way. Now, Runway and a couple of other tools actually have the ability to do a remix, but this is different. What we can do inside of here is we can literally generate a video and have the AI reprocess it by making fine-tuned adjustments to the video that you've created. Now, we have different strengths that we can look at. We can change features, but here's the cool thing, is the basic flow and the structure of the video that it creates, it can rework that in a novel way. So let's go take a look at how we can do that with Sora.
Now, Sora is the AI video platform inside of OpenAI's ChatGPT. What's kind of cool with this is not the full collection of toys inside of Sora, but I want to point out one thing that's pretty cool and very specific. So in this case, I've created a prompt, and the prompt reads, stationary camera view of a young woman wearing an oversized knit sweater in retro 70s colors, sitting down at a MacBook, typing quickly, sunlight shining through nearby wood-framed windows, New York City skyline outside the window. Now, as we're watching this, the video's quality is pretty decent, the animation is good, we've got the full engagement, exactly what we're after. But here's what's cool. When you've got this setup, we have an option inside of Sora where we can do a remix. Now, when I click on remix, you'll see that the little link there says describe changes and create new video based on this one. So I'm going to click on this, and what it does is it pulls up describe what you want to add, remove, or replace. Now, what's cool with this is we can have a lot of fun and try a lot of different things. And I've actually got a prompt, that same prompt that I just used, and we can choose to change specific elements of this. And what it will do is it will follow the sequence of the flow of this video and just make changes. Now, you'll notice down below there's some options for the different strength of the remix. We have strong, which says significant changes to the original video, mild, noticeable changes to original video, subtle, minor changes, and then custom is set the custom remix strength. I'm doing all of these at the beginning in strong so you can see what the possibilities are. The other thing is we have some options of going with a 480p or 720p. This is if you're on the standard ChatGPT OpenAI usage platform. If you have the Pro account, you can do this at 8x slower at 1080p. So this is just something to be aware of. Also, on this very first selection here is the number of variations that it's going to create. So you can choose 4 if you're on a Pro account, or 2 or 1. And I've just been running these as one view. You also have an option here. Remix lets you iterate on a video by describing changes you'd like to make to its contents. The Remix Strength Control lets you choose how visible your changes will be in the new video. And note, Remix cannot make changes to the timing or the length in the clip, only to the contents within the video. Creating will use 60 at the current setting, and it's current 60 tokens. That's based off of the settings that we've got right here, and what you can do is simply change the variations. And in this case, I'm going to run through a few of these and show you some examples of what we can actually create. A middle-aged woman, and so notice the age change, wearing an oversized knit sweater in retro 70s color, sitting down at a MacBook typing quickly, sunlight shining through nearby wood-framed windows, New York City skyline outside the window, and here we can see that we've got a different age to our character. This time I've changed a little bit more, and it's a 70-year-old woman wearing an oversized knit sweater in retro 70s color, sitting down at a typewriter, typing quickly, sunlight shining through nearby wood-framed windows, New York City skyline outside the window. Take it to a young man wearing an oversized knit sweater. And the other change is I've got an Amsterdam skyline, and notice the style of the buildings that are showing up outside the window. Pretty cool. This time it's a middle-aged man wearing an oversized knit sweater, and I have it Pacific Northwest community covered in snow, and you see outside the window that little bit of time there, that is what we're getting. Here's a distinguished older man with thoughtful expression wearing an oversized knit sweater in retro 1920s colors. He's seated at a vintage typewriter, typing quickly. Sunlight streams through nearby wood-framed windows, illuminating the scene. Outside the window, the skyline of a 1920s Manhattan is visible, all captured in sepia-toned image. The sepia did not come through. That's okay. That's an easy enough change outside, but I was just wanting to see what it would do for that. An alien species wearing an oversized alien outfit in retro 70s color, sitting down at an alien interface, typing quickly, starlight shining through nearby wood-framed windows, an alien planet outside the window. And just for fun, let's go for even younger. A very young toddler wearing an oversized onesie in retro 70s color, standing in a chair in front of a MacBook, banging on the keyboard quickly, sunlight shining through nearby wood-framed windows, rolling farmland of Nebraska outside the window. I've been through Nebraska, and that looks pretty much like Nebraska. All right, that's kind of a wrap of how to work with this remix tool. This one's pretty cool. Now you have, as I mentioned already, there's some other options of different strengths of the remix. So maybe there's something specific you want to take out or something that you want to add in, and you can adjust how strong that remix is going to be.
Okay, as a quick wrap up, we took a look at the tool and we saw some of the cool features that Sora could offer to us. Novel, I kind of like it. There's some interesting elements to this. The remix feature is really interesting. If this is the kind of thing you're interested in, it would be great if you would simply like the video, follow. If there's things that you'd be interested in learning more about, let me know. Until next time, I'll see you.